Hi Feathers, your favorite chef is here with the saucy goat meat. So this dish is particularly so tender. As you can see from the video, the meat is so tender and so nice. So let's dive in. First of all, you've been eating some goat meat. I don't eat goat meat particularly, but this is my dad's favorite meat, and as it is the healthiest meat on earth, akade akachi. So I haven't made research on that yet. So I'll be adding my goat meat into my pot, and then in that I will be adding a Scotch bonnet pepper for the flavor and aroma, and then some ginger and garlic paste. You're dealing with goat meat, so you need some ginger and garlic paste honestly for that. So okay, here is my ginger and garlic paste. You're going to add that into it, and then adding some bay leaves, some oregano. When I'm dealing with meat, I love using oregano, some curry, paprika, pepper, chili pepper powder, and of course my thyme. After that, I'm going to add salt and seasoning. You cannot cook obviously without salt and seasoning, so you're going to add some salt and seasoning just like I'm doing in the video, and you're going to give everything a good stir. Okay, need to mix this very well. Okay, before then I added some onions. You're dealing with goat meat, I repeat, you must put ginger and garlic, and of course some onions. So I'm going to stir that very well, cover and allow it to cook in its own juice before introducing more water. Please do this step, it is very important. Okay, here I added in some water, as you can see in the video. Because my dad loves his meat super tender, I will be adding lots of water to cook this until it is very tender. And I added in more onions and some pepper mix. I blend chili and Scotch bonnet pepper. He likes his his goat meat saucy with lots of pepper, so yes, I'm just doing this to his preference. But if you don't like spicy stuff, you can just omit the pepper mix. That's totally okay. So after that, the water has reduced, as you can see, greatly. I'll be introducing my last and final ingredient, which is my pepper soup spice. This is very important because it's, just add more flavor, aroma, and every other thing to this particular saucy goat meat. Okay, here it is. Add that and give it a good stir. This is nice, honestly, this is nice. The aroma was everywhere in my house. And make this for your spouse, your father, your mom. If they love goat meat, they're going to love this. And if they don't like goat meat, you can actually use lamb to make this. I eat lamb ragu kina, so I will definitely eat that. But my husband does eat what's it called, goat meat, so it's a win-win for all of us. I'm trying. I think I'll give it a try. So here I'm just stirring everything and allow it to cook more until the water has reduced again, and my saucy goat meat is ready. As you can see, the water has reduced. Very nice. Oh, look at this meat, very tender. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, follow, share my videos, and yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I am more active on Instagram than YouTube. Sometimes I forgot I even have a YouTube channel, so please subscribe to ginger me on sharing more recipes, and also do like and comment on what other recipe you want me to record for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.